Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S40 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Gmail application and here on the right upper corner tap on this icon, and now you can see that we got here the two accounts. Now just tap here to the manage accounts on this device, and I guess can you see we got two accounts, so we will log out from, for example, this account. Now just tap on this account and tap here to the remove account and confirm to remove that. And as can you see right now, we just get one login logout account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.